Hi everyone, this is Jeannie Ellis, also known as Scrapbooking Memo, and welcome to my channel. And also welcome to the 12 Days of Christmas of videos, how-tos, and share ideas on gifts, home decor, and other things. Now I am doing this from the December 1st time frame through the 12th of December. Also, Craft with Tea is sharing some of her videos on her different ideas of things to make for Christmas. So I'll put her link in the description box below. So stay tuned and watch with me and craft with me on the 12 Days of Christmas. Today I want to share with you on how I made this earring. I of course need a second piece to it to make my set. I call it my chain link ornament earring. So you can see the little ornament in the middle, and it's got lots of chains to it. It's got 3 chains to it. So I want to share with you how I made that. Now the first thing that I want to show you, whoop, now I can't get it draped. There we go. First thing I want to show you is that I've already made the centerpiece right here in the middle. I've already made that piece right there. I used a head pin, and it was a 2-inch head pin so I could get it into the right size that I needed. But I used 3 bicones, and 2 of a red and 1 of a clear, and they can be any, color you want, but that's what I wanted for my Christmas earring set. And then you need an ear loop, a hook, need 1 ornament, 6 rings, jump rings, 1 eye pin, and 3 chains of different sizes. This one's got 11 chain links to it, this one's got 12, and this one's got 13. And there's a reason for that. So the first thing I want to tell you or show you is that, oh yeah, and you need, for the centerpiece over here, you need 4 bicones for that piece. So altogether you need 7 bicones. You can use any color again, okay? Now the first thing you want to do is to fix that middle bar right in here where the ornament hangs. So I am just simply going to put on a red bicone, if I can find the hole. And then I'm going to get my 12-inch chain or 12 chain link. And I'll tell you a secret here is that this is 11, 12, and 13. So that's how I know that I've got to have the 12 piece there. So I take my bicone, put it toward the end of the head eye pin. I loop on a chain, and then I add another bicone. Again, any colors you want to use is fine. And then I'll put in my little ornament like this. And then I add another bicone. If I can find the hole again. And then I'll put in my chain. Let me move these up so I can reach the end of that chain. The very last chain link. Scoot it down. And then add my red bicone. Now I had used this loop, 1-step looper. Sometimes I get it to work right and sometimes I don't, so I don't know. But you want to get as close as you can. You don't have to use this. You can use the manual method. It doesn't matter. But I just want to go ahead and use it because I did use it on the other one. So I just scoot it down as close as possible. Sometimes I get to work and sometimes I don't. So it looks like it worked pretty good that time. It just needs a little bit of adjustment to it, which is fine. Better get another one. I get it twisted the way it needs to be. Okay. Let me see, make sure. Okay, the length is good. So I just kind of measure it there to make sure it's, the same length and everything. So, all right, so now we have our centerpiece there. Then I want to work on the bottom chain here. So for the bottom one, I get mine that's got 13 links to it. And I'll open it up. As soon as I find the opening, I go to the end of the loop. And then what I want to do, and I want to make sure I get that on there same way. Yeah. I'm going to put it on the end of that eye ring part. Put your jump ring into the end of the chain link, the last one. Loop it into the eye pin bar. Close it for now. It should be the only time you need it open, actually. So then take another jump ring. Open it. Sometimes I use my fingers to open it, and sometimes I don't. Loop the very end again. And then you're going to take it over to the other end, to the other side of the eye pin bar. So you're just looping it on both ends of the eye pin bar. So now you've got this piece right here, which is the same thing right in here of this one. So we're doing good so far. Now, since I didn't write the instructions down, I have to kind of think about it now. Now what I want to do is take another eye pin or jump ring. I want to open it up, and I am going to loop it into the end of the 11 chain, okay? And I'm going to put it into either end. I'm going to go ahead and put it into this end of the eye pin bar, and I'm going to close it up. Okay, so you got this dangling piece right here. If I can get hold of it. I think I had it and then I dropped it. Now because it's 11, I'm going to go ahead and put in the middle, which would be the 6th loop chain link. I want to put another jump ring in there while I've got it opened up. And so I'm going to count, because that way it'll give me the middle. It's 11, so the 6th one would be the middle link. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to put that loop in there, that jump ring I mean, in right there. I'm going to close it up for now. Just easier for me to handle that way. And then I'm going to take another jump ring. This is why you need 6 of them. And I'm going to attach it to the other end of that jump ring, or that bar. So loop it in there. Find the other end and put it into the eye pin part of your bar, not into the other jump ring. You want to put it into the eye pin. And close it up. So now you have your 11 chain, your 12 chain, and then your 13 chain. So the next thing you want to do is to get this 3-piece unit into that middle jump ring on the top. And since it's there, let me make sure I got that right. I tell you that, but I want to make sure. Right, okay. Okay, so you have that jump ring into the 6 loop chain link. So that makes your middle. You want to take your little bar here, little eye pin or head pin there. Want to open it up and hook it into this piece, but you want to put it in between the 2 bars there. Now let me show you again. You have the one that's looped, the middle piece. So you want to put it in between. You want to hook it into that same middle piece in between this side and this side. Now this can be a little bit tricky. So you've got it hooked between the 2 end chains. It's right in the same, it's in the middle link of that chain. So now you have this piece here attached. We're going to go ahead and attach the pin. I can't talk apparently. We're going to go ahead and attach the ear loop into that part loop of the ear loop. So it's kind of like the end of the eye pin. You know how it looks. So now you have all your pieces attached. So now you have a set of Christmas earrings that you can wear. You can wear anywhere you want to. You can do them for someplace really nice, Christmas party, anywhere you want to. So they'll look better when they're hanging. I'll try to set a picture up at the end of what they look like hanging. So we'll get that together, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I would love that if you did it, and make sure that you check out everybody else's. All the information will be in the description box below. So thank you for watching. Have many blessings, and see you next time. Bye for now.